Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Truth It, and I am here with William and Joy and Spike. Say hello. And we are here with
Roxy.
and Roxy. And we are here with the Nature Box. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay.
So I like this part right here. $100 wine voucher.
For what?
It's a wine voucher.
All right. I was just checking to see if y'all knew what y'all were talking about.
So a mocha almond bar.
All right, we're gonna open it up and taste it, or what?
That sounds good.
One at a time as we go along. Okay.
Nature almond bar.
If it starts to stink, I'm not gonna eat all of it.
Oh, it smells good.
First on William.
Here.
Are those Walton Mom?
It's nuts.
All right, here we go.
It's good.
It's all right.
Okay, you can have it.
No.
It's gross.
Now,
It's dark chocolate. I can't chew.
Oh, that makes it so much.
Is it healthier?
Calories 210.
It's not that
15
bad.
grams of fat. I don't know any of these things.
Actually,
3 grams of fiber. That's good. It helps you poop.
okay.
8 grams of sugar. That's not too bad, really.
Nope. And did you know that dark chocolate is better for you than
Chocolate?
Yep, regular chocolate. All right, what's next?
We have salt and pepper pistachios. Okay. Here, let's take one. Oh, they're just as good as you expect them to be.
Did you know that on the ones that are not opened well,
Oh wow, these are really
Here.
peppered.
you're supposed to take a shell of another one, the ones that aren't open, like have a little tiny slit, put it inside.
And then you use it as like a lever thingy. Use it to open it.
Did you see that?
You're just a wealth of knowledge with this Nature Box.
Spicy pepper.
I don't like it.
I couldn't eat all that.
I like it. I love pepper.
Here, you can have that.
I will have that. Thank you.
Sriracha roasted cashews.
Oh, these
Yes.
sound so good.
Let's try it.
Those look disgusting.
$7 grams of protein.
Yeah, okay. We're doing this now. Okay, that's
All right, why do I get 8?
mom poured like me 5. Oh, I hate sriracha. I forgot about that. I remember I tried it for the first time. I was like, why does everyone like?
Has a sweet
use this,
taste
like,
to it.
Garbage.
That's the cashew part. It's kind of. I don't like it.
It's really weird. I hate all this.
Yeah, I don't like them.
All
I
right,
don't like those.
we're doing lemon tea biscuits.
Oh yeah, I'm sure I'm not gonna like that.
I still have pepper in my mouth.
Yeah,
we
it
probably
was
should have done
really
these at the
peppery.
end.
I just made a whole bowl of popcorn, and I'm probably not even gonna want it.
You can eat it later. Ew, these are gross.
Just
Can't
put it.
The Nature biscuits are okay.
Really?
But you said to put it on there, so I put it there. We
Alright,
can
what's
catch it
next?
later. Mini whole wheat chocolate chip cookies.
I like those already.
Sounds great.
They're miniature.
Oh, it does smell good. I can't chew it because my tooth hurts.
They have a weird feeling. They have a weird taste to it.
It takes you through a couple of weird tastes,
Because of the
aftertaste.
whole wheat. Mini whole wheat chocolate chip cookies. Y'all are
They're
used
not
to,
bad.
Y'all are used to fat cookies, fat people cookies.
Well, that's because it's fat people cookies.
No, they
good.
are. That's what we eat. Oh,
Okay, this one actually sounds decent. Crunchy barbecue twists. I'm opening this one. I want this one.
twist.
Twist.
I have so many different tastes in my mouth. It's
Mhm.
disgusting.
Right. I still taste the cashews.
I don't like it.
What? It's barbecue.
It smells like pork rinds.
Oh, I'm having this one. I
What
like
the
this
heck?
one.
Me too.
Oh no, you have
Thumbs up.
popcorn. Yeah, this tastes good.
Oh, it has a smoky taste.
Is that it
It's
from the
barbecue.
box?
That's it.
all.
Well, we just had our fill of Nature Box, the first one.
Can we do good things
Is this a
next time?
thumbs up on getting it again or no?
Thumbs up.
I
but
think
we need
this
better
was
things.
this was just an ad. I tried it. to see if I'd like it. I do think I'd like to try it again with maybe different selections because you can choose different things. I do like the chocolate chip cookies.
We
I
like
do
those.
like the pistachios.
We like those.
I didn't really like the lemon tea biscuits, but I don't like any lemon cookies. I'm not a fan, but you did.
I like those.
And I didn't like the pork rind things.
They're not pork rinds.
They smell like pork rind.
You will never find pork rinds in a nature box.
No. William likes those.
All right. That's it. I'll holler.